Are you ready to disrupt the hair care industry? Our growth oils isn't just a product. It's a movement towards a world where everyone can feel proud of their hair. My name is Michelle A. Walker, founder of Marabelle Hair Care. We offer hair growth oils for persons struggling with hair loss and hair thinning. Unlike our competitors, and we offer a pre-evaluation hair type quiz which analyzes each person's hair goals and hair type, then recommends the best oils for their individual needs. This allows persons to see results in as little as 2 to 3 weeks. With the global hair care market growing at a rate of 5.3% and expected to reach $108 billion by 2024, we can capture a part of this lucrative market. I'm asking for just $1,000 US investment in my company to scale up production and bring my oils to the wider international audience. Who's ready to change millions of lives with Marabelle Hair Care, one bottle at a time? So yes, I had never done a pitch before, but I had joined the Academy of Women Entrepreneurs, which was a grant program that was recommended to me by Scribe, and then I won 1,000 US.